Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, a very important issue has come before the Bombay High Court. The issue is that if the assessee is appointing some agents who are helping the assessee to seek the various contracts and tenders from the public sector enterprises or the government enterprises, so the commission paid to these commission agents should be allowed to the assessee or not. This issue came before the Bombay High Court in the case of Indian Hume Pipe Company Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 461 ITR at page number 341. The date of the judgment is 31st August 2023, and this case is related to the assessment year 86, 87, 88, 89. And you see that this case has been decided by the Bombay High Court on 31st August 2023. It means the assessee is fighting this case since 33 years, and even as on date it has not attained the finality because it may happen that the department may move to the Supreme Court. So this is the length of litigation which the assessee has to bear in carrying on his business, and this is the litigation only in income tax. So there are a number of the fiscal statutes which the assessee is facing nowadays. So the business is very difficult as far as the litigation on the fiscal laws is concerned. In the present case, the assessee has appointed some agents whose work was to seek the information that what contracts or the tenders have been issued by various public sector companies and government companies, and these agents were providing the updated information about these contracts to the assessee. They were helping them in filing these contracts. They were helping them in providing various information, various technical informations for seeking these contracts, and they were also assisting the assessee in realizing the payments from these public sector companies and these government companies, because realizing the payments from government companies also takes a lot of time and effort to go there and pursue for that. When the assessing officer was doing the assessment, he was of the opinion that since these are the government companies and public sector companies, so the agents are not required to seek these contracts. Only on this limited ground the assessing officer disallowed some partly commission. He allowed some commission, but he did not allow the whole commission. When this matter was before the Bombay High Court, the Bombay High Court said that it is fully a commercial activity for the assessee to appoint the commission agent and to avail their services for getting the information about the various tenders which are available in the market from various public sector companies and government companies. And in the present case, it is not the case of the department that there is some legal prohibition on the assessee for appointing some agents to get the contracts from the public sector enterprises and government companies. The court was also of the opinion that in the present case the department is not able to prove this, that the agents appointed by the assessee were government employees or they were related to the assessee. So in the present facts and circumstances, it can be said that it is only the assessee's prerogative that whether to appoint some agents or not. The assessing officer cannot sit into the armchair of the assessee and can decide that whether the services of the agents are required or not. If the assessee feels that they will help them and it is necessary for the business, then agents can be appointed and whatever the commission is being paid to them should be allowed to the assessee. Moreover, the court said that in the present case some commission has been allowed as an expenditure. So it can be safely presumed that the assessing officer has admitted that some services have been availed. So the department cannot adopt a contradictory approach that to allow some commission and not to allow some commission. So in this case, the Bombay High Court gave relief to the assessee. Once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Indian Hume Pipe Company Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 461 ITR at page number 341. The matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court and the date of the judgment is 31st August 2023. Thank you, friends.